Hello, this is Adolf. Welcome to the video lecture series on the course of building construction.
In this video, we are going to see what are the other materials which are going to be used in the field of construction. There are various materials we can use in the field of construction. Let's see them one by one. Let's start with the two materials, that is glass and plastic.
Let's start our lecture with the topic glass. Glass is a mixture of various metallic silicates, one of which is usually that of an alkalic metal. This glass is an amorphous, transparent, and translucent material. This glass may also be considered as a solidified, supercooled solution of various metallic silicates having infinite viscosity. Next, we see the properties of glass as a building material. The first property is transparency. The transparency is the main property of glass which allows the vision of the outside world through it. The transparency of a glass may be from both sides of a glass or from one side only. In one side transparency glass behaves like a mirror from the other side. The second property is U value. The U value is the measure of how much heat is transferred through the window. The lower the U value, the better the insulation property of the glass. The better is at keeping the heat and cold out of the building. The third property is strength. The strength of glass depends on the modulus of rupture value of glasses. In general, glass is a brittle material, but by adding admixtures and laminates, we can make it as a more strong material. The fourth property is workability. Workability is capable of being worked in many ways. It can be blown, drawn, or pressed, and it is also possible to obtain glass with diversified properties like clear glass, colorless glass, diffused glass, and stained glasses. And glasses can also be welded by fusion. A fifth property of glasses as a building material is recyclable. Glass is 100% recyclable material. The culverts, meaning the scraps of broken or waste glass gathered for a remelting, are used as a raw material in glass manufacturing as well as aggregate in concrete construction. The sixth property is visible transmittance. Visible transmittance is the fraction of visible light that comes through the glasses. So these are the properties of the glasses as a building material. Next, we see the types of glasses used in construction. The first type of glasses is float glass. These float glass are manufactured from sodium silicate and calcium silicate. So it is also called as soda lime glass. These float glasses are clear and flat, so it causes glare images. The thickness of the float glass is available from 2 mm to 20 mm, and its weight ranges from 6 to 36 kg per meter cube. These float gases are used in making canopies, shop fronts, glass blocks, railing partitions, and so on. The second type of glasses are tinted glasses. Tinted glasses is nothing but colored glasses. A color producing ingredients is mixed to the normal glasses to produce colored glasses which does not affect other properties of glasses. Different color producing ingredients are tabulated here. So if you use iron oxide, you will get a green color. If you use sulfur, you get a blue color. If you use chromium, you will get a dark clean color. Magnesium dioxide, you will get a black color. Cobalt, we will get a blue color. Titanium, we will get a yellowish brown color. And uranium, we will get a yellow color. So these are the coloring icons and their color. Third type of glass is toughened glass. This toughened glass is a durable glass that has low visibility. It is available in all thicknesses, and these and when these toughened glasses are broken, it forms a small granular chunks that are dangerous. This is also called as tempered glass. These types of glass is used for fire resistant doors. Fourth type of glass is laminated glass. These laminated glasses are made by sandwiching glass panels with a protective layer. That means between two glass panels, we have a one protective layer. These laminated glasses are heavier than normal glasses, and these laminated glasses may cause optical distortion as well. These laminated glasses are tough and protect from UV radiation up to 99% and insulate sound up to 50%. These laminated glasses are used in glass facades, aquarium, bridges, staircases, floor slabs, and so on. The fifth type of glass is shatterproof glasses. So these shatterproof glasses are made by adding a polyvinyl butyl layer. This type of glass does not form sharp edge pieces even when it is broken. So these shatterproof glasses are used in skylights, windows, or flooring, and so on. The sixth type is Estrogen glass. This type of glass has two unique property. The first one is hydrophilic. That means water moves over them without leaving any marks. So, or water cannot stay in the glass or give any mark by running on it. And the second property is photocatalytic. These are covered with nanoparticles that attack and break the dirt and making it easier to clean and maintain. Next type of glass is insulated glass unit. These insulated glass units contain a glass separated into two or three layers by air or vacuum. They cannot allow heat through it because of air between the layers, and these act as a good insulators. These are also called as double glazed unit. Eighth type of glasses, chromatic glasses. These type of glasses can control daylight and transparency effectively. These glasses are available in three forms. The first one is photochromatic, that is light sensitive lamination on glass. Second type is thermochromatic, that is heat sensitive lamination on glass. And third one is electrochromatic, that is light sensitive glass, the transparency of which can be controlled by electric switches. These chromatic glasses can be used in meeting rooms and ICUs. Glass wool. Glass wool is a thermal insulation that consist of intertwined and flexible glass fibers, which causes it to package air and consequently making good insulating material. Glass wools can be used as pillar or insulator in building. Also for soundproofing we can use the glass wool. The last type is glass blocks. Glass blocks or glass bricks are manufactured from two different halves and they are pressed and annealed together with melting process of glass. These are used as architectural purpose in the construction of walls, skylights. They provide aesthetic appearance when light is passed through it. So these are the types of glass we used in the construction. The second material is plastic. So plastic is one of the recent engineering material which has appeared in the market all over the world. This plastic is an organic substance and it consists of natural or synthetic binder or resins with or without molding compounds. Plastics are the compounds of carbon with other elements such as hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Properties of plastics as a building material. Under this, first one is appearance of plastics. In market, there are so many types of models of plastics are available such as transparent or colored plastics. We can get this by adding suitable pigments in the process of manufacturing of plastic materials to get these different properties. So this will give good appearance to the structure and makes it attractive. The second property of plastic is chemical resistance of plastics. Plastics offer great resistance against chemicals and solvents. Chemical composition of plastics during manufacturing will decide the degree of chemical resistance. Most of the plastics available in the market offer great corrosion resistance. So, corrosive metals are replaced by plastic in the case of water carrying pipes. Third one is dimensional stability. Thermoplastic types of plastic can be easily reshaped and reused. But in the case of thermosetting types of plastics, it is not possible to reshape or remold the material. So the plastic offers quite satisfactory dimensional stability with that of other common engineering material. Ductility of plastics. Ductile nature of plastic is very low. When tensile stresses are acting on plastic member, they may fail without any prior indication. Electrical insulation. Plastics are good electric insulators. So they are used as lining for electric cables and for electronic tools. Sixth property is durability of plastics. Plastics with sufficient surface hardness are having good durability. Sometimes plastics may be affected by termites and rodents, but it is not a serious problem because of no nutrition value present in the plastics. Seventh one is finishing. Any type of finishing treatment can be given to the plastics. Mass production of plastic material with uniformity of surface finish is done by having a technical control during its manufacture. Eighth property is fire resistance. The resistance to temperature or fire for varieties of plastics considerably varies depending upon the structure. The plastics made up of cellulose acetate are burnt slowly. If it is made up of PVC, polyvinyl chloride, do not catch fire easily, and the plastic made up of phenol formaldehyde and urea formaldehyde are fireproof materials. The ninth property is fixing. Fixing of plastic material is so easy. We can easily fix plastic in its position. Plastics can be bolted, clamped, drilled, or glued to fix plastic material in its position. Maintenance. The maintenance of plastics are so simple because they do not need any surface finishing coats or paints. Melting point. Generally, plastics have very low melting point. Some plastics may melt at just 50 degrees Celsius, so they cannot be used in the positions of high temperature. Thermosetting type of plastics are having high melting point than thermoplastic type plastics. However, thermosetting types are cannot used for recycling. To improve the heat resistance of the plastics, glass fiber reinforcement is provided in its structure. Next point is thermal property. The thermal conductivity of plastics is very low and is similar to wood. So formed or expanded plastics are used as thermal insulators. The last property of plastics as building material is weight of plastics. The plastic have low specific gravity, generally ranges from 1.3 to 1.4. They are light in weight and easily transportable to any place in a larger quantity. The plastics can be used as a different material in our building construction, like bath and sink units, cistern ball floats, top-rated and plain sheets, electrical conducts, electrical insulations, floor tiles, foams for thermal insulation, lighting fixtures, overhead tanks, pipes to carry cold water, or safety glasses, water resistant, adhesive like that. So in this table, we are giving what are the various plastic material and where it is used in our construction, building construction, and in which form it is commonly used and what is its normal color. If you take expanded polystyrene, it is used as a thermal insulation. It mostly used as a thin sheet in slab 12 mm thickness, and it is normally in white in color. And if you take expanded polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, it is used as a thermal insulation. It is generally used in a form of boards having thickness 20 to 50 mm thick. The normal color of this expanded polyvinyl chloride is yellowish white. The third one is foamed urea formaldehyde. This is used as an again thermal insulation. This can be formed in soot. At the field, we can easily form as a foamed material. Normally, it is available in white in color. The fourth one is foamed phenol formaldehyde. These also used as a thermal insulations. It is commonly used as a sheets or blocks available in deep red color. The fifth one is foamed polyurethane. This is also used as a thermal insulation. We can easily used as a sheet and blocks, or we can foam that side. Normal color is brown. The expanded ebonite. This also used as a thermal insulation. Will be used as a sheet in the construction. The normal color is brown or black. The seventh one is polythene. It is used as a damp proofing material as well as plumbing material. It is available in thin sheets, pipe, cisterns. The color will be transparent to black. Eighth one is polypropylene. This is used as a domestic drainage units, but or water overflow tanks, we will use it. It is available in various colors and various forms. Ninth one is unplasticized PVC. This is used as a rainwater goods, ventilation units, ducts, pipes for water mains. This is also available in various forms and various color. Tenth one is acrylic resins. This one is used as a sinks and baths. Available in various units and colors also, various colors are available. 11th one is nylon. This used as a cold water fittings and window furnitures, available in various sizes and various colors. Phenolic resins, so used as a adhesive for laminates, available various forms and mostly color is dark color. The 13th and last one is melamine. It is used as a laminates, available in the form of sheets, and there are in so many colors.
In this video, we covered the miscellaneous materials such as glass and plastics, how they are used in the field of construction.
Thank you.